How to cancel Roblox Premium. Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Roblox Premium so that it no longer charges you on your credit card or whatever you used to buy. In this tutorial will work best if you purchase your Roblox Premium through the browser, either on your iPhone, Android phone or a computer. But if you purchase it through the Apple iTunes stores or the Google Play Store, Roblox will help you cancel it from there. To get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser on our iPhone, Android phone or computer and navigate to roblox.com and then log into our account. Once you get logged in, go up in the top right, select the gear and then go down to settings. Once you are on the settings for your Roblox account, go into the left side and select billing. I purchased my Roblox membership through the browser on my computer, and this button right here that says cancel renewal allows me to cancel the renewal of my Roblox Premium membership. So I'll have Roblox Premium for this date and it will no longer charge me after that. Now if you do not see the cancel renewal button, you should have instructions that show you how to cancel it in the specific area where you purchased your premium membership. So like I said, that's either the iTunes App Store, Google Play Store or something like that, maybe your console. So all I need to do cancel my membership is select cancel renewal. It's going to give me a warning letting me know when my subscription will end and then all the benefits that I'll be missing. All I need to do from there is select yes cancel. It's going to ask me why I want to do that. Then I'm going to select submit and there you go. It's been cancelled and I will no longer be charged by Roblox Premium. So that's how you cancel Roblox Premium. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment below. If you like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.